This is ultimate nerd tool every maker should have. Victorinox Swiss Army knife, known for excellent sharp blades and scissors. And now we have fine hex drive with bits. There are three types of cyber tool: small, medium and large. I have chosen medium. I think this one is best bang for buck. Each bit is two-headed. Bits are secure in bit case, but if you lose them, Victorinox sells replacement bits. I found that Vera and I fixed 4mm bits are excellent fit for this driver. I like these transparent red handles, but they take scratches easily. Next best thing that you don't expect from Swiss Army knife is combination pliers, and they are actually usable. When soldering, you can take cable with pliers and close it in tool. Cable will be fixed, so you will have portable soldering helping hand. Corkscrew, well, I guarantee one thing: if you buy this tool, you will want to use it at least once, and you will have good times. It also has hook, used few times when tracing cables in low voltage electrical cabinet. Awl is awesome, very sharp. Sometimes I use awl to make hole in plastic for internet cables. Anyway, Cyber tool has a lot to offer. So if you are looking for fine Swiss quality multi-tool, grab this one, you will not be disappointed.